And here are some commands we often use to access system tools and utilities. Open Run with Win+R and type the following: PowerShell, and this opens it as a default user. And using Task Managers, run new task, and this checkbox checked opens it as administrator. And this command opens system configurations that lets us troubleshoot startup and of course performance as well. And this command opens services where we can manage background services. And this command opens control panel with all its options. See? This command opens user's temporary files folder located at this one. It's primarily utilized for system-level operations such as updates, installations, or other OS-related tasks. This command opens folder where temporary files created by applications under specific users are temporarily stored. It's located at this one. Both are safe to delete. And this simple command opens on-screen keyboard. This command opens Optimize Drives interface where we can analyze and optimize drives. Note here, for hard disk drives, defragmentation improves speed, but for SSDs, avoid manual defragmentation and rely mostly on trim optimization.